The xAI API just dropped, and this is a total game changer. This changes everything with AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how it works, how to use it, then I'm going to show you how to build an application with it. Anything you need to know about xAI API, you'll learn in this video. Let's go. Now, why is the xAI API so big? It is the first AI built on top of X. It is the first AI that's being fed in real-time information from social media. This means you can get up to the moment trending information, top stories, what people are talking about, information about specific people's social accounts, all through an API for the first time. That's massive. We have never been able to build applications based on that data before. With the xAI API, we can do that now. All this data on X, all these tweets, everything people are talking about will now be fed into this API so we can build really powerful applications on it. So let me first show you an example. So for instance, I came in here. This is an application I'm building with the xAI API. I came in here, I said, what are the top 10 trending stories in the world today? Because the xAI API, it's a mouthful, is built on X, it has all the real-time information and what's going on. So it's able to tell me in real time, what are the top 10 trending stories on X at the moment? What are the top 10 trending stories that people are talking about on X, which is pretty crazy. Or if I want to go in here and say, tell me about @AlexFinX, which is my handle on X, I can hit submit. It's going to send that to the API. Grok's going to go check out my account on X and tell me all about it. It says I'm a tech enthusiast. I have witty tweets about tech. Everything's real time. So it can be what's going on in the news, what's going on social with certain accounts. I'm able to find out what is trending at the moment, up to the moment. And these are things you can't get with any other API because they're not built into social networks like the xAI API is. Right? If I want to learn what's going on up to the moment with the US presidential election, I can put that in. So what does it mean for you? You can now build applications based on real-time information and data, right? I'm building this content creation tool. I can now feed in information from real time on what's going on in X and build out functionality based on that. So if you're building a news site, for instance, you can say, here's the top trending stories on social media. If you're building a content creation generator, you can say, make tweets based on these top stories, things like that. That was never possible before. Now it's possible with the xAI API. Next question, how do you sign up for it? If you go to accounts.x.ai, you will be able to sign up for it. You can log in with anything. I'm going to sign in with my X. I just authorize it. It's safe because it's built by X. Once you're in here, it takes you through a very simple process. It can set up your API key, everything like that. Once you have that, you're good to go. Then you just want to make sure you go into your invoices and enter in a credit card. I've run like 100 prompts so far, and I've spent 8 cents so far. So it's to experiment with. It really isn't that expensive, and I really recommend everyone experiment with this because this truly is revolutionary technology. Once you do that, you can go in here. You can look through the documentation, read through how everything works. But what I'd recommend, especially if you're new to programming, you're new to APIs, what I would do is I would download Cursor. Cursor is going to allow you to build out applications with AI, even if you have no programming experience at all. And so I built out this application where I'm sending prompts to the xAI API, all with Cursor. I didn't program a thing. This was all with Cursor. And so now what I'm going to do with this is build out an entire application on top of this real-time data coming in from xAI. Here's an example of what I built out. This was all generated with AI. I literally went in here and said, can you put an input in here that talks to the xAI API? And then it went in and generated all this code for me. I didn't write a single thing myself. I did that, I hit run, and I was good to go and able to communicate with the xAI API. If you've never coded before, this is how you do it. And I couldn't recommend doing this enough, right? There's always going to be new opportunities when new technology releases, right? This is brand new revolutionary technology. There's going to be people who jump on this now and make billion-dollar applications off this. This is the time to strike. This is the time to learn this new technology. If you just sit here and wait, there's going to be 100 other people that take this and build multi-million dollar applications. But if you go right now and you take action, you download Cursor, you sign up for the API, and you start programming, you're going to be able to take advantage of this opportunity. AI is improving at an unbelievable rate. This is a huge improvement. If you're able to strike as these improvements happen, you're going to be able to take advantage of massive, massive opportunities, and this is one of them. I've spent all day, the moment the API released, I started building. Now I have an application here built on the xAI, and I'm going to be able to make really cool things, put it out there, and start making money off this. That's the opportunity you have right now. So action items for you right now. Go to the xAI API site. I'll put the link down below. Sign up for that. Download Cursor if you haven't already. You can check out some of my other Cursor tutorial videos to get a feel for it, but if you hit Command-Shift-I, it opens up this AI composer. You can go in here and just start giving commands. You can link to the xAI documentation. So if you go in here and you do @docs and then add new doc, you can put in the link for the xAI API docs and it'll learn it instantly. And then you can just start giving it commands. Build me an application where I can talk to the AI. Different things like that. Experiment. Try new things out. That's all I'm asking you to do. If you experiment, I promise you ideas will come to your head and you'll be able to build out really cool things. If you learned anything here at all, make sure to hit the subscription down below. All I do is create videos on building cool stuff with AI. Make sure to hit a like. Let me know in the replies below what you'd want me to build out in my next video. Everything's based on user feedback. See you in the next video.